Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover about the printing the square pattern with the input number. Suppose if you are providing like input as 2, so I want to display it as 2222, like in the fixed rays. Let me show you with an example here. How do it looks? Suppose if I give the input as 2, so I want to display it as the 2 cross 2, then it will be like 2, 2. Okay, this is how I need to display it as if it is a 2 cross 2. If it is more than, if it is a 3, then I want to put it in a, okay, if I give 2, it should be displaying it as 2. If it is 3, then it should be, the actual number should be displayed and the total number of count should be as 3 as well. Okay, so let's see how we can do that using a Python program here. So let's take the input from the from the user and convert that inputted number into integer value. Enter the size of the square matrix. So the square. Here the user will provide us the what is should be the size, either 2 or 3 or 4. So based on that we need to display it with the numbers. So for that what I'll do is I'll loop through the for loop for I in range of the provided value n. So earlier what is to do is we used to, in the earlier patterns, we used to just use the star symbol and convert it. But here we want the actual number what the user will be providing here, the n value. So what I need to, this n value is an integer value. So I'm going to convert it into a string in the print statement. So print, convert that to the string integer and add the space there just to display it in a proper way. This all bundle will be multiplied by number of times we need that. So that would be nothing but n. Okay. Okay, let's see the output, how it will be there. It's already open here. So when we type size, let it be 3. So you can see it as 3. Suppose if I type it as 5, it will display as 5. Suppose if I give it as 9, so you can see that various sizes of the patterns will be getting based on the size of the input we provide. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.